am Dion, your host. You are now on blast. If I'm on blast, you on blast too now, baby. All right. Well, I wanted to make some bone broth. Okay? That's what I wanted to do. So, I showed Facebook my prep. Okay? I showed them how I prepped everything. I put 6 chicken legs inside of my crock pot over here. Okay? Yes. And I added all my herbs. I put some Italian seasonings in there because I wanted the thyme. And everything's organic, and some rosemary. And some, what else did I put in there? I put thyme in there, rosemary in there, and onions, bell peppers, garlic, a whole garlic clove in there. I mean, a garlic, whatever you call that. Y'all know what you call it. You know what? I could just show you. Yes, I could just show you. Huh? Nothing like showing you, huh, baby? Alright. Now, I put it on at 7 o'clock yesterday evening. Okay? And so now, here it is. What time is it? I think it's like, it's 5 something. Okay? So it's been in there quite a while. Look at that, huh? Y'all see that? Ain't nobody playing, Craig. Ain't nobody playing. And I put the whole garlic house in there. Yes. Yes, this is organic too. So everything that I put in there is organic. The chicken leg, look at that meat falling off the bone. So what I'm gonna do is strain it, and I'm gonna catch it in this. And I'm gonna put it over there, and that's gonna be that right there. But I'm gonna have to move y'all back. I'm gonna have to move you back. Everybody got their place, and you got to go back. Yes. All right. So in case I spill over, because I'm not a professional just yet. And then I'm gonna I'm gonna put it in my mason jars, the broth. Okay. But I was trying to get it to be gelatin. I was telling Facebook that I'm hoping to make my own gelatin. So once I take the meat off the bones, I'm going to reboil the bones again. Okay? So we can do this together. We can do all of this together, baby. I ain't got to wait. I don't have to wait. How about that? Proper English. Let other folks tell it. Talk proper English, Dion. That's what my mother would say. Ain't got, how parents want to embarrass you. I didn't teach you to speak like that. Okay, mother. All right. Okay. So, one thing I'm going to do first, though. That's what I'm going to do first. Because I don't want any surprises. I don't want a headache to go down. Where's my tongs at? Gee whiz. Don't you hate when you don't put your own stuff back where it's supposed to go? Where'd I put it? It should be like still here in the kitchen. I'm just saying. Is it in the sink right here? Let's see. Alright. Tied up under all the glasses. Alright, y'all. So I had a nice day at work, and I was watching some of these videos on YouTube and the drama behind the friendship of Cynthia Bailey and Nene Leakes. You know, some people just need to grow up. You know, you ain't guaranteed a perfect friendship. You know, and then loyalty. That's something Nene need to learn. She need to learn like what she even talking about. She don't know what the hell she's asking for. Because if she understood loyalty, she would know that Cynthia Bailey completely has it. She was too enthralled, if you ask me, in her complete ass. I'm going to take this out. That's the garlic. Well, you know what? I want you guys to see what I'm doing over there. Can you see what I'm doing over there? I'm going to move Big Bertha. I'm going to move Big Bertha. Bring y'all back over here. Yes, yes. Alright. You know, she going on YouTube and Twitter saying all these things or whatever she's saying about Cynthia. And Cynthia's like, you know, she's going on a smear campaign on me. I don't know why. But, you know, let her do her, because I'm in love. You know, Cynthia got her a new man. She's in love. She didn't think she was going to be in love again. And she's in love. And so she didn't think she was going to find a man that was going to have her all giddy. And I'm loving it. You know, her good friend is supposed to love it too. But, you know, she too busy hating. You know, trying to control her. Telling her who to be friends with, basically. You know. If you invite her, there's no loyalty. All this bull crap. Get out of here. Grow up. Then you got a husband. You know what I'm saying? You see, it looked like somebody stole some wings. I thought I had... Oh, I do have 6. I need to learn how to count. Let me pour that juice in there. Alright, so there go the wings. You see, y'all see the meat? Oh, yes, baby. Yes, yes. So, I'm going to put this meat aside. Okay? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to put it right here on the stove. Right here. Now, put you guys back here so you can clearly see what it be like. Because I want y'all to see how you can make your own broth. Alright? So, that's kind of too hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my crock pot on because I'm getting ready to start this process all over again. So I'm going to pour this in here. Uh-oh, I'm splashing. I'm going to splash this hot shit all over me. I got celery in there, onions in there, carrots in there for a little sweetness. You know, all the colors of the bell peppers. Yes, yes, but, you know, we're not going to eat that. That's going to go in the trash. Okay? Now, you see that's what's left in there. Alright? So, I'll put it in the trash. But, I want to show you guys my broth. That's what I want to do. I'll show you my broth. Be a little braggadocious with the broth. So y'all can see what it be like now. Look at that, huh? Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful. Huh? But, you can see it better if it's in the glass. Now, supposed to be ready for y'all. I'm looking for my funnel here. I have a bigger funnel. I don't know where the heck I put it. But for right now, I'm going to have to use this little funnel. Where's my big funnel at? Gee whiz, Dion. You know, I thought I was prepared, but I seem to never be prepared. You know, it's like someone came in here to mess with me. I can't use this. It's ridiculous. Now, where the hell did I put it? Where did I put my funnel? Well, I'm just going to have to pour slow, huh, baby? There you go. Don't even need a funnel. You see there? Look at that rich broth. Look at that, huh? Woo-wee. I don't have to buy broth. Then, I'm going to season it. Yes, yes. I'm going to season my broth. You can make soup with this. You know what I'm saying? You can drink a little bit of this every day. Alright? It's good for your joints. It's good for your body. You got all the minerals in there. Look at that, huh? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Now, when you cook it as long as I cooked it, then you'll be able to get the gelatin. Okay? Here's the Jell-O. You see that? It's gelatin. That takes care of your joints. It goes into your body and it protects you. Huh? It helps you. It lines up all the cracks and the holes in your intestinal tract so you can absorb your food and enjoy your food, huh? So, I'm going to put this in here because I wanted to see what it'd be like. So now, here's the thing. I'm going to put my special seasonings in there, baby. And I'm going to give it a little taste test. Start off with a teaspoon. Okay? And the smaller one. How about that? Yes, yes. Now, I'm going to stir them up. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Huh? Yes, yes. Let me taste this here. Yum. Yum. All right. Yes, yes. So, that was cool. Now, I know in this one, I need to put another one. Because there's more in there. Okay? That's my special seasoning. I know what's in there. You know what I'm saying? But if I tell y'all, you're going to have to give me a ring. Not to get married, baby. Yes, yes. I made sure I brushed my teeth and freshened my mouth. But this is mine. Everything in here is mine, baby. Mine. Oh! That's awesome. Alright. it off with a little bit of Himalayan salt. Huh? Yes, yes. This is a real soft. This is a soft type of salt. It's not too salty. It's really. So I'm going to put a teaspoon of salt. Himalayan salt. This salt is from the way back in the ocean some damn where. Y'all better look it up and stop eating that table salt. I only use table salt to clean my skillets. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Clean my skillets. I have a little bit of this in this mixture too. Okay. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. I'm gonna taste it. Perfection. Oh my goodness. This is what's up, y'all. Making your own broth. Huh? You can freeze it. You can put it in the refrigerator. It's going to gel up. Perfection. Alright, I already know this is the same. So. And then with all those herbs and spices in there. Yes, yes. Perfection. Wow. That was awesome. I love how it came out. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all in the refrigerator. So when I'm ready, but I'm going to let them cool first. Alright? That's one thing I'm going to let them do. I'm going to let them cool first, then I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. But one thing I'm going to do right now is take the meat off the bone and then show you guys the second process. Alright? So I'm going to take all this out. Discard this.